Hello, Salesforce Trailblazers. Today, I'm excited to share some of the recent delivery that our fantastic developing team at Codeylabs has achieved. So, recently, one of our customers reached out to us with a raw problem that is, hey, hey Codeylabs, my sellers are asking if we can change the color of the components on the opportunity record page and make them more colorful and cheerful as they use uh, opportunities in their day-to-day business, and they found really boring seeing the same color scheme across the app. All right, so this is how, this is what we caught received as raw requirements and need from the customer for us to do some research, and that's where our development team chimed in, and they have started doing some research. So before, while they were doing some research, we have formulated a like very generic user story. Says that okay, as a user, I want to be able to customize the color scheme on the record pages in Salesforce so that I can tailor the interface to match my organization's branding and improve readability. Progress and proceed with the development. The first thing that we validated is that if there's anything new in the themes and branding in Salesforce, that helps us make those changes on a particular object record pages, which unlikely we didn't find. We also explore all the app exchange apps, if they offer any kind of similar functionality, then no luck there as well. Now, so finally, the option left was to develop a custom feature or a reusable component rather than the option to rebuild everything custom, which is not, but so any kind of custom feature that we could component that we could build and just make the changes in the CSS. If I show you that this is exactly what the need was, and that's where our team actually moved ahead. So now that they have completed the development, and I'm seriously really excited the work that they have done. So without even waiting for another minute, let me just start showing you and do the demo of what they have built. So this is an opportunity, uh, and we are moving on to the body. So this is how the native opportunity page looks like in Salesforce. So what they have done is the team have built a kind of a branding set component Salesforce. So this and in order to use it, we just have to drag and drop and put it at the very last component so that don't interfere anywhere, because it's just gonna be have some branding sets. Now we need to change them to the brand that we wanted to achieve. So I'm just gonna be putting in the brand colors which is needed to make it brand. So we're trying to brand it for the Codeylabs for now, just for this. All right. So let me just quickly. So I've got the background, the which is the header background color. This one. Then we have the neutral buttons background, which are not brand buttons. So neutral button background colors. Then we have the text color for those buttons, and then this is the general base of the whole record page background color. All right, so let's see the magic. I've just saved changes are saved. I'm moving on to the record page and see the magic. See how colorful, how cheerful this looks like. Definitely, these colors are not the combination of Codeylabs, which is something. Now, when we were doing this, there's another requirement that we actually spoke to some other in the past customers in the past, and then I think there was some kind of requirement that hey, can we have different color shades for three different record types we have on account. It is really difficult to identify which uh, am I working for a customer record if they're all every most of the field the same. Am I working for a vendor record? So it sometimes creates confusion. So can we have that? And I think with this requirement, with this implementation, we have achieved that requirement as well, if it is still a valid requirement. But yeah, it is just like, so what we have done is, I just show you that, okay, so this is a master record. What we have done is we have dragged and dropped this branding set here. We have, so now if you see, we have two branding sets. One branding set of the color look is for the customer record type. Another branding set is for the vendor record type. Now, if I just quickly go back, and as I see that this, the record that I opened was the master record type, so nothing is expected here. But if I go for the vendor, and you can see that how, oh, this is blue, this is vendor I'm working on, and then this is customer, so this is how it looks. Definitely, everyone has their own UI team, decide the better colors for everything, but this is how we wanted to share the possibility here. So thank you everyone. If you want to have this implemented, please reach out to me, DM me directly, and we'll be happy to have that implemented for you. Thank you. Bye bye.